If you make faceless tutorials or record your PC screen, you probably know the pain of sitting in Premiere or After Effects for hours just to make it look decent. Adding smooth zooms, blurring out passwords, getting those rounded corners, it takes forever. Well, I found a desktop app that does all that heavy editing for you automatically, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. The software is called FocuSee, and you can check it out from the first link in the description. When you first open it up, you get 3 main ways to capture your desktop. First is full screen. This is exactly what it sounds like. It captures your entire monitor. This is perfect if your tutorial requires you to open the Start menu, use the taskbar, or jump between completely different software programs. Then you have the Custom or Cutout mode. This lets you literally draw a box around a specific part of your screen. If you only want to show a specific quadrant of a website and hide the rest of your messy desktop, this is the mode you use. Next, we have this Window mode, where it locks the recording onto just one specific app, like your Chrome browser or a specific software window. To start the recording, just choose any one of them, and then just hit this record button, and it will start the recording immediately. Okay, so once you pick your mode and finish your recording, you don't get tossed into some complicated timeline. Instead, it brings up this really simple canvas. You pick your aspect ratio for YouTube or any other platform from this drop-down menu, and it gives exact size for that platform. And then just play around with the look. You can adjust the corner roundness by this slider, and to be honest, I keep it very low and it looks minimal and simple. Next, you can add this inset to add some border edges, and I keep it really low, and this gives a premium outer glow effect which looks really modern. Next, we have all these premium modern backgrounds you can drop in behind your window to make the whole video pop. And they have a bunch of them, and this completely changed the whole look and vibe of your video. You can also use a custom background by here, and just browse the file in your computer and hit OK, and it will be applied as a background. Alright, here is where the app actually blew my mind. The auto zoom. Normally, you'd have to mess with a bunch of keyframes to zoom in on a specific button, but with this, you can leave all of those keyframes because it actually tracks your mouse movement and rotates your screen in 3D space to follow your cursor. It looks incredibly professional, and it takes 0 effort. If you want, add just 2D motions, then press this 3D motion and change it to 2D. And if you want it to be applied from default, then while recording, change it from here. Here, you just click the little plus icon on your timeline, and it automatically creates a perfectly smooth zoom. You can add zoom in manually at any point by just going in the timeline and pressing this plus button, and it will zoom into your cursor automatically with perfect easing. Since we're doing software tutorials, you're bound to type in a password or show an email address at some point. Instead of exporting to another editor to censor it, FocuSee has a quick privacy blur masking tool. You just drag a blur box over your sensitive info right in the app. Another massive feature is the automatic shortcut capture. If you press Ctrl-C or Ctrl-V while recording, the app automatically generates a sleek visual graphic of those keyboard shortcuts on the screen, so your viewers know exactly what you are pressing without you having to say it. Cursors and click sounds. Speaking of the mouse, you can ditch the boring default Windows cursor. You can choose from different custom styles shown here. Just select any one of them which you like. You can also add a visual ripple effect whenever you click, and there are a bunch of different click effects which you can use in your videos. I always recommend turning on the built-in click sound. That way, your viewers hear a satisfying click right when it happens, and you never have to manually sync sound effects. But if again, recording something else, you have to make all of those settings again, like changing the corner roundness, changing the background, cursor or click effects. And this is the reason why they have included this preset option where you can save all of the settings so you don't have to do this every time you finish recording your screen. Once everything looks good, you just hit export. You can render your video out in crisp 4K quality. I've been using this for all my faceless tutorials, and it honestly just makes my workflow so much faster and less stressful. So I've left a link in the description for you guys. If you end up loving it, I've got a 20% off code down in the description there for you too. Have fun creating, and I'll see you in the next video.